In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to Figma for free. By the end, you'll be able to install the small helper Figma needs, download a font from a free site, and refresh Figma so the new font shows up in your projects. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Figma uses a lightweight helper application to let your designs access fonts that are installed on your computer. On the site, look for the Font Installer section. Then click the Windows Installer option to start the download. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. When the download finishes, open the installer file, run it, and follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to allow the app to make changes to your device. Approve that so the helper can install correctly. When the setup completes, the Figma font helper will run in the background and enable your local fonts inside Figma. Next, let's grab a free font. Go to Google and type dayfont.com, then open the site. Browse or search for a font you like and click the download button on the fonts page. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the download and install the font on your computer. Some downloads arrive as a compressed folder. Just follow the standard installation flow your system presents so the font is added to your fonts library. A quick tip: always check the font's license on its page to make sure it fits your intended use. Now return to Figma. Refresh the page in your browser, or if you're using the desktop app, restart it so it reloads your font list. Create a text layer, open the font drop-down, and search for the name of the font you just installed. It should appear alongside your other fonts, ready to use in your designs. If you don't see the font right away, give it a moment and refresh again. Make sure the Figma font helper you installed is running in the background and confirm the font installation completed successfully. Once both are in place, Figma will recognize your new font automatically. That's it. You open the Figma website, click the Windows Installer under Font Installer to download and run the helper, went to dayfont.com to download a free font, followed the prompts to install it, and refreshed Figma to start using it. Enjoy designing with your custom fonts and keep exploring new typefaces to refine your projects.